Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radio head unit in a LEXUS RX350, the generation between 2008 and 2015, and in this case this LEXUS is 2010 model. So to start with this, it's quite simple. We need a few tools to start, and at first we are looking to have the plastic trim removal tool like this, or you can have a bigger one if you want. The small one will work just fine, and in terms of the big one we are talking about this. So two of them in hand is very handy. And the second next is we need the 10mm socket rim, and that one we can extend longer or shorter easily. So we are doing now from the center console piece. Just slide the plastic trim remover tool along the edge here, and you can easily pop this one up. Okay, but before going further, put the ship lock and slide the gear stick down to the meter and unscrew the gear knob. And after that you keep going, put the plastic trim remover tool on the side and pop it, and then you have the middle center console piece pop up. Underneath of this panel there are 5 different cable underneath, so 3 on the front, 2 at the back hand ear. Is in this case it will be 2 over here this area and 3 in the front. So gently lift it up and unclip all the cable, and after that the piece just come up nicely and easily. And you can see it here, they're all plastic clip thanks to the special design, nice and neat. And the cable in the front are here and here. Okay, so the front they're all white cable connector, the back they look all black. So we just put the center console piece to the rear seat. So we go for the next step. Now just start from the left side. Let's push open the glove box, and using the bigger plastic trim removal tool is better. Just push it underneath of this part here like this, and you push it up, and on the side here push it up, and actually it will come out very straightforward this direction, because it has all of the plastic clip at the back end, 3, 6 and 7 plastic clip just at the same direction straight into the dash and come straight out. So we put it at the back end for the next step. And now we go on the right side, the same thing, plastic trim removal tool, put the edge here and push out, and this part will come out easily, and it gives you the space to slide the side cover here, okay, like this, out of the flash. So at this moment you are looking to see dash on the side like this, and if you look carefully you see from here there's one 10mm bow and another one up there. Okay, so 2 of them, you see 2 of them, and just put the tool in and remove. The same thing happened on this side, there will be 2 of them. Looking from here is a bit harder, but when you sit down and look from the side here, you will be able to see it better. So the hole is that one, and look from the bottom of the side up in, you will see the screw inside and up, so one on the side, one up. let's put a tool there and remove it, and after that you will be able to slide the head unit out. Okay, so at this moment let me turn off the camera and start removing 4 of the 10mm bowl, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.